We tried a fun science experiment making crystal snowflakes using pipe cleaners. Let me show you how you can make your own. First, grab some pipe cleaners. I used white ones because they resemble snowflakes, but you can use any color. I also tried making one with silver pipe cleaners because I was curious to see how it would turn out. Next, take a glass jar and fill it with 2 cups of hot water and 5 tablespoons of borax. Stir it well until the borax dissolves completely. Then attach your snowflakes to a metal wire and wrap the other end of the wire around the pencil or pen. Hang the snowflakes into a borax solution, making sure it is fully submerged in the liquid and doesn't touch the sides of the jar. Leave it overnight. Next morning, your very own crystal snowflake will be ready. For some reason, the silver snowflake didn't work. I suspect it's because its surface is foil-like, so the crystal particles couldn't attach properly. However, the white snowflake turned out amazing. It's completely covered in hard, sparkling crystals and makes a stunning Christmas ornament.